You did not record, sir.
Okay. Find out the magnitude of these vectors. Very important. Why didn't you make me remember? You're too intelligent. You only want the lectures. Selfish you are.
No, sir.
Then you might have informed me. Very crucial points.
Sir, first one is minus 10 I cap.
Hmm?
Sir,
Hmm?
first
Minus
one is
10.
minus
It's not magnitude is only 10 newtons, right? Root over magnitude will not be negative. That is minus indicates negative direction of uh, x-axis direction. Only 10 newtons. This is becoming root over 2 square, that is 4 x component square, horizontal component, plus 3 square, that is 9. That is
9.
root 13 meter per second square acceleration means. Or otherwise unit. So velocity is root over 3 square 9 plus 5 square 25 plus 4 square 16. So 25 plus 16 is 25 plus 9 is 16 is 45,
9 is
41, 41,
34.
15, root 50. Root 50 means 25 2
7. Yes,
What?
sir. 25. 5 root.
No, is it
5
35 plus 41 plus 5 root 2? So then this will be root over 3 square plus 4 square. That is
Yes, sir.
minus indicates is negative y direction. 9 plus 25, that is 9 plus 16, that is 25. 25 means 5 units. Got it? Understood how to solve the magnitude? You can solve it on your own or not?
Yes, sir. So the question was to find the vectors only, no, sir?
No magnitude. I gave the vector. What will you find out?
Sir, that's what I got confused.
Okay, you understood now? You understood how to find the magnitude?
Yes, sir.
Can you solve on your own?
Yes, sir.
Then now tell me. What is this component? Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, in that you told to find the magnitude only.
Which one?
That question.
Yes.
But for everything, the same magnitude will come, sir.
Who told?
Not for every question, sir. For V vector, it is 5 root 2 magnitude.
No, it is a vector. I gave some vector, random velocity in velocity, some random velocity vector I gave. This can be some 5, 6, 13 I cap plus 24 j cap plus 33 k cap also. At that time, magnitude will change. You have forgotten everything. I told you, right? Root over x component square plus y component square plus z component square. Here x component is 3, y component is 5, z component is 4. No, you don't remember?
No, sir. You have gave some random vectors, sir.
Ah,
For that magnitude.
but this can be any other vector also. Don't worry about it. This velocity can be 10 I cap, sorry, 5 j cap plus 12 k cap also it can be there. At that time, the velocity magnitude will become, this vector magnitude will become root over 10 square plus 5 square plus 12 square.
Okay, sir. Yes.
What doubt you are having? Tell me, exactly tell me what is your doubt.
No, sir. I got confused between that magnitude and vector.
So magnitude, how to, this is a vector representation. This many newtons in I, this many meter per seconds in x direction, this many meter per second in y direction, this many meter per second in z direction. That's what I told you, right? You can resolve any vector into components.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Previous class, that's what we have discussed. You don't remember? I told you any
Yes,
vector
sir.
can be
Read
represented
it.
in two components. Like that, if three-dimensional vector is there, three components. One is I cap, one is j cap, one is k cap. This is one easy way. I'm not saying that is the only way. Because Pythagoras theorem we know on right angle triangle way, if you find out, it becomes easy. X and Y and Z are axes are perpendicular to each other. If three vectors are there, I can represent in root over x component square plus y component square plus z component square. So here x component is given as 3, y component is 5, z component is 4.
Yes, sir.
You did not revise. I understood. You did not revise at all the previous class. It's very tough, I'm
No,
telling you.
sir. I read it, sir. Seriously, I read it.
Then why didn't you completely, you're unable to connect? Solve this question.
So can you repeat the question, sir?
Find these questions I'm telling you. This force is how much? Here force is given. This component is how much? This is given, this is given. I'm asking you this. Now this is given and this angle is given. I'm asking you this. With whatever knowledge you have, try to find out.
Sir, it's coming in a improper route, sir, this one. First one, it's coming in an improper route.
What is that you are getting?
Sir, I'm getting 3,600 minus 900, the whole route.
Then what is it? What did you
That is
do?
true.
2000?
Sir, I shifted to 2,700. Whole route.
2700 means can I write this as 9 into 3 into 100?
Yes, sir.
100 root is 10. 9 root
Yes.
is 3. The answer will be 30 root 3.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
It is 30 square plus y component square is equal to 60 square. Y square
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to, this is what you have done. Y square is equal to 60
Yes, sir.
square.
Yes, sir.
That is 3600 minus
600
900. Y is equal to
and
root power
900.
2700. If you simplify 2000, that is 30 root 3.
Yes, sir.
Then you solve this question also.
Yes, sir.
You understand how to relate them?
Yes, sir.
If you don't know these basics, every topic problems, sometimes it will become tough.
Yes, sir.
You solve it.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
No, sir, I didn't solve it. I'm solving it. Sir,
Tell me.
sir, that full angle is 90, sir. Can I do 90 minus 30 to get
It's
that
okay. You
full
can
angle is
You don't worry actually. You want to take it as 60. Okay, then what did you do?
yes, sir. Sir, then by trigonometry we can find that
What
this
did you
one.
do?
Sir, cos 60 is equal to 60 by x. I took it as x.
So,
So 1 by 1 by 2 is equal to 60 by x, sir. So x is equal to 60 into 2, that is 120.
yes, that is correct. But you have done correct, absolutely fine. But what I want to say is use your bit of intelligence. You don't need to take 30 against 60. You don't, you know this, right? This one and this one will be equal, horizontal one.
Yeah, yes.
So then you can write it also as sine 30. Sine 30 is equal to 60 by x.
Yes.
So x is equal to, what is sin that t?
1/2.
Again, you will get the same answer. Okay, it's okay. It's not a wrong thing, but I'm telling you, when tough problems
Yes,
come and all, you should be able to apply the trigonometry very easily, not only to comfort the way that you want to do. It's okay. It's not a mistake. You understood?
yes, yes,
Shall I go ahead?
yes.
So find the value of P if given vector is unit vector. Okay. This velocity vector is equal to 0.6 I cap plus 0.6 j cap plus pk cap. What is the value of P if it is a unit vector? Okay.
Sir, V vector is 1, sir.
No, B vector magnitude is 1, I told you, because it's
Yes, sir.
unit
Yes, sir.
vector.
That is 1. That is
That's
1.
yes.
So we have to do a root of minus like that.
Not minus, root over 0.6 whole square plus
Where
0.6 whole
plus 0.
square. No, this is P
Plus,
square
yes, sir.
is equal to 1. That means
Yes, sir.
P
Yes, sir.
square is equal to 1 minus 0.6 whole square is 0.36
yes, sir.
minus 0.36. So this is 1 minus 0.72, that is nothing but 0.28. So P is equal to root over
The
0.2.
whole.
This
Yes.
is the answer.
Yes, sir.
So another question.
Sir,
X
can you,
vector.
sir, can you little scroll down, sir? I will take this screenshot of it.
No, not screenshot. You have to solve it. What is screenshot? What is screenshot? These are easy questions, right? JEE mains and advanced level questions. If you want to solve, you have to understand these fundamentals very quickly.
Yes, sir.
X vector is equal to 0.6 I cap plus 0.8 j cap plus q k cap. Find q. Okay. If X vector is unit vector.
Same only, sir. 1 minus.
Do it. One square, that is X vector is magnitude is 1 square is
1.
equal to 0.6 whole square plus 0.8 whole square
0.8.
plus q square, right?
Yes, sir.
0.36 plus this is 0.64. So the answer is what? 6.64 plus 0.36 is 1. 1 is equal to 1 plus q square, that is q implies q is equal to 0. You math 0.8 to 0.8 is what? 64
No,
you
sir.
get.
Yes, sir. I got I put the decimal in wrong.
Wrong place because 2 decimals are there. After decimal 1, 2 digits are there. Before 2 digits you have to keep a decimal.
Yes, sir. I kept the decimal back now.
Okay. Next. The question is, this is quite important. Write unit vector of given vector. A vector is that you have to write the unit vector. So A vector is equal to 4 I cap plus 2 j cap. B vector is equal to, this is one question, this is another question. 6. This mathematics also you will have these questions in the second year maybe, or first year ending. Vectors topic, all these things have to, if you are good at it, your mathematics also will become easy. But mathematics you will go a bit deeper. So 6I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Okay. Find unit vector. This vector is given. You have to find unit vector for A vector, B vector. That means A cap, B cap. I told you how to get them. Just think about it and try to solve. First, if you try solving, then I'll explain. You will be able to remember it better, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You try.
F is equal to force vector.
F cap,
Force
what did I
vector
do? Force vector by its own magnitude, I divided
by
it.
force vector. I
Magnitude.
remember, sir.
Magnitude. Then 10 newtons you divide here. You will get in the east, 1 unit in the east. That means you will have a direction in the force vector, but magnitude only 1 unit, right? So I told you a formula also. Any vector cap you want to find out, you divide its own vector with its own magnitude, then you will get the cap I told you. In the otherwise, any vector you want to write, if you know that unit vector along that direction, magnitude you multiply with its unit vector, then you will get the vector. Like suppose 10 newtons in x direction means 10 newtons into x direction vector is what? I cap. That means 10 I cap you will get. You remember it all not?
Yes, sir, I wrote it also.
So then if you wrote it, so now A cap is how much, what here? A vector by its own magnitude, right? A vector is 4I cap plus 2j cap. Its own magnitude is how much? Root over
4 square plus 2
4.
20.
Root 20 means 5 fours are. That means 2 root 5. 4I cap plus 2j cap divided by 2 root 5 by 2 root 5. This 2 goes in 4 by 2 times. This 2 goes in 2 by 1 time. That means answer is 2 by root 5 I cap plus 1 by root 5 j cap. This is the unit vector along the direction of A vector. Got it? You have to apply yourself. I will explain. That is there. Once when you apply, I explain, you become very strong point in your mind.
Yes.
B point. You can solve this or not? Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
This immediately should be into your memory, or otherwise at least you should turn, okay, I read this point, how to write cap. So let me turn to the page at least first time, second time. Then that automatically that point goes into your mind. How to find unit vector. So the second question also.
Yes.
You're having a class at 7 o'clock for chemistry.
I don't think so. Karan sir didn't give.
Okay.
Yes, sir, he gave, sir, at 7 o'clock.
Okay. You solve it. You have to revise and come in the next class. Your fundamentals, I don't think you have remembered properly. You're taking time.
Sir, I have revised it, but I haven't got it.
Now you're able to connect at least. Okay. Some people immediately will remember. Now you're able to connect how to solve them.
Yes, sir.
Next. Did you solve the next question?
Yes, sir, I'm just solving it. So 11 by 7.
11 by,
7.
let me check here. By 11 by 7 magnitude, let me check. Root over 6 square, 2, 3, okay. The magnitude is how much? B magnitude is root over 6 square
6
plus 2 square, 4 plus
2
9.
square.
36 plus 4, 40, 49.
Plus 3 only, no, sir?
Why 3? By Z component square, na? 3 square, 9.
Yes, sir, I did it correct only.
36 plus 5 plus
49.
9. That is 49.
Yes,
49
sir,
is
49.
root 7.
Yes, sir.
So now you have to
11
divide
by
it with its own magnitude. That is what? B cap is B vector divided by.
by its magnitude.
I will kill you. If you have done 11 by 7, you did like this, right? 6 plus 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5, 11 by 7. This is the way you done.
Yes, sir.
And don't worry, just don't panic. Just I'm in a friendly way only, I told you. Okay. Can you add vectors like that? Question mark 1. Directly. One is I cap, one is, it's okay to make a mistake here. Just to teach you, I've responded like that. In final exam, we should not make that mistakes, right? Here it's okay. Matlab, if you are not doing mistakes, that means you are not solving well. If you are not solving, then definitely there's no chance of getting a good seat or good rank. That means you have to solve and make mistakes. I told you 3 months still I'm making mistakes only. So making mistakes is not wrong. Just the response is like a friendly response. You could don't worry because we are two different states. The way my friends also, if I say I'll kill you if you do this, just it's not a negative word, okay?
No, sir. No, sir, I'm not. I was
Don't worry
thinking
because
that.
you have not seen me in the class, live class where I'm interacting with students and all. How I joke with them and all. There might be disconnected feeling. That means you might feel bad, "Arey sir, why has he spoken like this? I should not ask a doubt from now on." You should not feel like that, okay? Okay, Tirtha, are you
Yes,
comfortable?
yes, sir.
My brother also will say, if you do this, I'll kill you. I'll not actually. It's just a funny expression.
Yes,
Uh,
yes, sir.
it's not a funny thing, but you have to be, you have to be clear. I, J, K, can you add this one?
No, sir.
That is why we got this
Different,
component, right?
different vectors.
Magnitude of the resultant of them is root over this one, x component square y plus, right?
Yes, sir.
So you cannot add them. This is a vector. What is a 6i cap plus 4j cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap divided by 7. Then the answer will be 6 by 7 I cap plus 2 by 7 j cap plus 3 by 7 k cap.
Yes, sir.
Now you carefully observe the x component is what? 6 by 7 whole square, right? Y component
Yes,
is 2 by 7 whole square. Z component is 3 by 7 whole square, right?
yes, sir.
The answer is this is root over 7 square is common, that is 49. Numerator is 36 plus 4 plus 9. So this will become 49. 49 by 49, it will become 1, right? You understood now why I am making this?
Yes, sir.
You divide its with own magnitude. So I cap, J cap, K cap will remain same. 6 by 7 units in I cap direction, 2 by 7 units in J cap direction, 3 by 7 units in K cap direction. This will have the same direction as B vector, but magnitude will be 1 unit only. Got it? Did you get it,
Yes.
Tirtha?
Yes, sir.
So
So can you show me that A1? 1 second.
here also write 2 by root 5 I cap is there, 1 by root 5 J cap is there. I did not add 2 plus 1, 3 by root 5.
Yes, sir.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Actually, before you joined school,